Alright guys, in this video I'm going to quickly show you just how simple and easy we've made it to come in here and start having Create write all of your content for you, okay? And yes, I am talking about real artificial intelligence that you're going to be able to see right before your eyes right now, okay? And not just that, it's going to be able to write content for you and for your clients in under 60 to 90 seconds, okay? And literally all you have to do is tell Create what you want or what niche you want content in, okay? And you do that by filling out these options here, which will take you under 5 to 6 seconds to complete. So the first thing you're going to do is select your article type. Now, depending on which package you purchase and which upgrades you purchase, you will be able to select between 1 and 3 of these options. I'm going to go ahead and leave it at standard. And then below that, you're going to choose the niche that you want content in. Now, we have tons of niches in here already. We have most of all of the major niches covered. So the way that we've broken it down is first off by our main niches. Okay, so we have business, health, home improvement, legal, online marketing, real estate, relationships, and travel. And then within all of these main niches, we have tons of sub niches as well. Okay, and we also have a ton of more niches that we're going to be adding between now and the next 6 to 12 months. In total, I believe we're going to be adding over 500 different sub niches in here. Okay, so we're going to get really targeted and really wide with the niches that you'll be able to come in here and have Create right for you. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click the health niche. And you can see inside of the health niche, we have multiple different sub niches in here as well. Acne, anti-aging, back pain, beauty, build muscle, dental, depression, exercise, hair loss, mental health. Every major niche you can think of in here for the most part. I'm going to go ahead and select dental in case you're working with a dental client for some reason, since we do have a ton of local niches that you can use as well. I'm going to go ahead and skip these two since these are part of our upgrades, and we do cover what the upgrades are on the order page. Before you purchase, you will be able to learn what the upgrades are, or you can just go through them and pick out which ones are the ones that you like. From there, all you have to do is come down here to the starting prompt. You could create a folder, so if this is for a dental client in specific, I can go ahead and create a specific folder and it'll be put only in that folder for that client, okay? And then we have some sharing features that you can do as well and share them with your client, but we'll talk about that at another date. But here is where the magic happens. Here is all you have to do is provide Create with one sentence, and Create will take it from there and write you an entire unique article based on just one sentence. And this one sentence you can write quickly yourself, or you can go to a third-party site and grab a sentence. Okay, so here I am in Google. I quickly just Googled what causes teeth stains. I clicked on the first option, which is this option here. And let me go ahead and close that out. And I'm going to go ahead and just choose this first sentence here. Teeth stain for many reasons, including your food and drink choices, oral hygiene, and medication use. So I'm going to go ahead and select that, come here, paste that into there, hit start, and that's literally all you have to do. From here, Create is going to take it from there and write me a completely unique article, which is going to take about 60 to 90 seconds. Okay, so once this article finishes writing, I'll come back to that and show you exactly how it reads. All right, so Create has finished writing this article, so let me go ahead and click on it and show you what it reads like. Create did a few different things. Not only did it create a title for us as well, so teeth whitening, why does my teeth stain? And then it went ahead and wrote a unique article for us as well, and it even broke it down into different sections. Okay, so toothpaste, whitening, and whitening gels. Okay, so here it also went ahead and highlighted the first sentence that we used, because we know that for the most part, most of the users are going to do exactly what I just did, which was take our first sentence from a third-party site. So the last thing we want to do is get in trouble for using just one sentence. So we recommend that you go ahead and rewrite this. Okay, make a few changes to it so that it's unique to your article along with the rest of it. Okay, and then you'll be in the clear with any potential issues that may arise for using this one sentence. Okay, but besides that, you can go ahead and see that this is a very well written article, and we'll go ahead and read some of it right now. Although not the sole cause of stain, certain bacteria naturally present in your mouth may contribute to teeth discoloration. In addition, the surface structure of your teeth also can contribute to stain. This article discusses the various whitening methods available. So most toothpaste contain chemical agents that help protect teeth from cavities and decay. Whitening. Whiteners are those chemical agents which change the color of the tooth enamel. Most whiteners contain hydrogen peroxide, a bleach agent that erases superficial stains but cannot penetrate the enamel. Whitening toothpaste contain mild abrasives that scrub stains off the surface of teeth. They are most effective if used several times per day, usually for 30 minutes to an hour. So you can see just from this part, I'm not going to finish reading all of it, but this is an extremely high quality article. But not just that, you can easily start monetizing this with different offers, okay? Because, you know, it's talking about toothpaste, it's talking about whitening, it's talking about whitening toothpaste. So you can easily start linking to offers once you publish this on your blog, or if on your client site. You do a call to action to your client's appointment setter, or whatever it may be. Okay, so you can see this is a really high quality article that was written for me in a matter of under 60 to 90 seconds, and all I had to do was tell Creaite what niche I wanted content in, supply it with one sentence, and the artificial intelligence took it from there and wrote an entirely unique article. Now, I know that one thing that many people are going to wonder or ask is if this article is truly unique. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and copy this article, head on over to Copyscape, which is the #1 plagiarism checker. I'm going to go ahead and paste that article in there, hit premium search, and you can see no results found. So a perfectly unique article written for me by artificial intelligence in under 60 to 90 seconds. That is the power of Creaite. We have blended the power of artificial intelligence with the power of content creation and content marketing. So make sure you go ahead and pick this up right now at the link below and secure this very special offer.